Do you want to go on an Easter egg hunt?
Yeah.
Do you want to go to Easter egg hunt in the pool?
Yeah.
Easter egg hunt in the pool?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, well, first.
wait, who gave me that?
Hold on. First, you got to pick out a swimsuit.
The lunch lady.
She did. Wasn't that so nice?
Yeah.
Lunch lady, our schoolmates are a whole package for Easter. It's so cute. Okay, what swimsuit do you want?
We're going right now?
Right now? I
Yay!
was waiting for that. Okay, which swimsuit? This one or this one? Which one?
This one.
Okay, this one. And then
Grandma, we're going pool.
yeah, it's an indoor pool.
Grandma, we're going to a pool in summer.
It's not summer yet, but it's an indoor pool, so it's inside. Okay, what glasses? Okay.
She gave me all the candy.
And then we're gonna wear this, and you got your bunny ear. All right, let's change. All right, I made her go use the potty, but this is it. There's gonna be a chance to take pictures of the bunny. The pool times are at the bottom, so she's ages 5 to 7. Don't come in here yet. She don't got the clothes on. Hold on, Zara. Hold on. So 2:20 to 2:35, she'll be in looking for Easter eggs, and I think it's just gonna be so fun. It's an indoor pool, and I got tickets a while ago, so I'm excited. Let's get dressed. She's had this Nike sweatsuit for a while. We haven't worn it yet, so that'll be perfect for the pool. All right. Get down so they can see you. Yes. All right, let's put your sweatsuit on. Stand up. I know you're excited.
Right now.
So when you get there, we have to wait for directions, but they're going to have crafts. They're going to have games. And then you guys get to go in the pool when it's your turn and go look for Easter eggs, okay?
Can we
here's your basket.
Pool right now?
We're going right now. Here, give me your legs.
I'm going to go pool right now.
Give me the other leg.
I'm going to go pool
We're
by
going
myself.
Not by yourself. I'm going with you. I'm not getting in, though.
You got to watch me.
Oh, it's a little big. Oh, I have your life jacket, but I don't think you're going to need it, but we'll bring it.
I got my thing.
Yes. You ready to go look for some Easter eggs in the pool? Okay. This is what you're talking about. I have it. You might not need it because I think it's just like you're going to walk in. I don't think you guys like diving in. We'll see when we get there. Got her pool towel. Which goggles you want? I don't think you're going to need it, but you have this one. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig? Okay. I don't think so. We got these slippers. So I can wear these. My mom said, God bless me for all that I do. She's so cute. Here's our slippers. All right, she has her slippers on, packing some snacks, juice. She's singing. Towel. I think we're good. All right, girl. Come on. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
No, the bird did not take.
Say, shut up.
No, stop. Do not say that word. I get so excited when I find new fun events. Like, so excited. All right, we'll be sharing with you guys all that we do at the pool for the Easter egg hunt. We're on our way. It's a 30-minute drive.